Pritzker said he plans to add Medicaid coverage for adult gender reassignment surgery.
He says the move aims to make the state more inclusive, but some groups say the state shouldn't be footing the bill. WCIA3's Gabrielle Martin is live from our Capitol newsroom now. And so what are transgender advocates saying about the change?
Well, Jennifer, transgender advocates say that this proposal opens the door for some who felt that they can never afford to be themselves.
It's a win for the T community.
T meaning transgender. According to the Department of Public Health, about 50,000 people identified as transgender in Illinois as of 2014. Governor Pritzker wants to ensure Medicaid recipients within that community have access to surgery to treat gender dysphoria.
People who have gender identity issues may seek mental health services, and it's typically at a time where their assigned gender and the gender in which they identify are not congruent, and so they're feeling some level of distress in relationship to that incongruency, and so they reach out for assistance, and they may get a diagnosis of gender dysphoria.
In a tweet, the governor writes, expanding Medicaid to cover gender-affirming surgeries is cost-effective, helps avoid long-term health consequences, and most importantly, is the right thing to do. Advocates say the proposal will help those who want to have gender assignment procedures done.
If you identify as a transgender individual, you do not have to have surgery. It's not a requirement to be transgender to have a surgery. Transgender is an identity. It isn't about the parts you have or don't have. And so I think that this is certainly a validating opportunity for people who are interested in that.
Not everyone calls the call for coverage a win. The Illinois Family Institute says partially in a statement, the surgery Pritzker seeks to make taxpayers fund in this morally and fiscally bankrupt state is surgery that mutilates healthy bodies in order to enable those who suffer from gender dysphoria to pass as the sex they are not and never can be. Now, late this afternoon, Louisville Republican Darren Bailey filed a bill to block the governor's proposal. Now, we'll have to wait to see if he has enough support to be successful in doing so. Jennifer?
All right.